This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need a couple of things before changing your Find My Friends location. Your iPhone updated, Share My Location off, and a chosen method to spoof location. First, open Settings and confirm location services and Apple ID are correct. This avoids account conflicts. Next, install the spoofing app or connect your iPhone to a Mac for Xcode. Once done, prepare the target coordinates or map pin where you want to appear, and make sure you remember to disable real-time location sharing. Now you'll push the fake location to the device. If you use an app, grant it location permission and paste the coordinates, then activate the spoof. If using Xcode, open Devices and Simulators, select your device and simulate a location file or coordinate, press Run. After initiating, open Find My and refresh. Your device should show the new spot. If it doesn't, toggle airplane mode briefly, then reconnect. This forces a location update and clears cached positions. Complete the process by turning Share My Location back on, only if you want others to see the spoof. Make sure background app refresh and location permissions remain active for the spoof tool, because iOS can revert if permissions are lost. If the location snaps back to your real position, restart the phone, reopen the spoof method, and reapply the simulated coordinates. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, sign out and back into your Apple ID, or remove the third.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.